and Foreign Minister of Pakistan.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Excellency Mr. Wang Yi, Foreign Minister of the People's Republic of China, distinguished guests, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, very good morning. It is my distinct pleasure to represent Pakistan at this historic signing ceremony of the Convention on the Establishment of International Organization for Mediation in the vibrant city of Hong Kong, the special administrative region of the People's Republic of China. I wish to extend my heartfelt congratulations to the People's Republic of China and its leadership on hosting this groundbreaking event. The pivotal role of the Chinese leadership in steering this initiative and turning a shared concept into a practical reality is a testament to the Chinese wisdom. Excellencies, today's signing ceremony not only marks beginning of a new era in the realm of international mediation and diplomacy, but also the birth of an important global institution to support principles of multilateralism and mediation. This initiative reminds me of another monumental step that China took some years back, the establishment of Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. The establishment of IOMED is as exceptional a step in the world of mediation as AIIB was in the world of finance. I must also commend the choice of Hong Kong as headquarters of the newly established organization as a super connector and super value adder where East meets West. This dynamic city is well poised for this transformational journey. Excellencies, Pakistan is proud to stand among the founding members of the IOMED. Pakistan has established an International Mediation and Arbitration Center, IMAC, to promote commercial and investment dispute resolution and judicial efficiency. We look forward to collaborating with the Secretariat of IOMED and IMAC of Pakistan. Excellencies, we believe that peace and security as well as global prosperity can be promoted and preserved through strict adherence to the principles of the UN Charter, faithful implementation of the UN Security Council resolutions as well as international law. Mediation, diplomacy, dialogue, and international cooperation constitute important cornerstones of this comprehensive approach. Our presence here today is a reaffirmation of our commitment to these ideals. Excellencies, as I speak, a dream to save the succeeding generations from the scourge of war has never been more distant. From occupied Jammu and Kashmir to the occupied Palestinian territories, these long-standing disputes and situations of foreign occupation continue to pose a threat to regional and international peace and security. Excellencies, forces of populism, ultra-nationalism, and unilateralism are on the march. Conflict and divisive rhetoric dominate the headlines instead of dialogue and mediation. The purposes and the principles of the UN Charter as well as fundamental tenets of international law are being violated with impunity by some who are willing to sacrifice international peace at the altar of their narrow electoral gains and hegemonic regional ambitions. Excellencies, lastly, we have seen grave crisis due to blatant disregard for diplomacy, international law and mediation. Our eastern neighbors' recent unprovoked and unjustified military aggression in blatant violation of international law represented a serious threat to regional and international peace and security. Excellencies, by holding the international treaties such as International Water Treaty of 1960 in abeyance, by violating international human rights laws and humanitarian norms, new and dangerous precedents are being set. These unjustified acts of aggression were carried out in complete disregard of calls by the international community